you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. So lovely to see you. You're out with your latest film, Puglet.
There's a line in the film that goes, लड़की लोग को अकल आती है ना तो लोग उन्हें पगलेट कहते हैं. Was this the line that hooked you?
It did. और उसके साथ संध्या ऑल्सो सेज कि अगर मैं अपने खुद के फैसले खुद नहीं लूँगी ना दूसरे ले लेंगे. और इससे बेहतर हमसे बेहतर ये कौन जान सकता है कि हमारे फैसले अगर हम खुद नहीं लेते तो कोई और लेने के लिए ज़रूर बैठा है कि कपड़े क्या पहने और खाएं क्या, पढ़ाई में क्या करें, साइंस नहीं कॉमर्स, कॉमर्स नहीं आर्ट्स, कॉलेज कौन सा जाए. So it definitely hooked me, and this line is about taking our own decisions. और वो जो चीज़ आप बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं, बाहर ढूंढने की जगह इंटरनली ढूंढे तो शायद आपको आंसर मिल जाए.
This is a story of a girl breaking free, of a girl on a journey of self-discovery. Did it emotionally overwhelm you at any point?
It didn't overwhelm me emotionally. I think I was quite inspired by Sandhya. It's a character that is extremely close to my heart. It's a film that has inspired me in so many ways, It's about this character who first can't comprehend what she's going through. She knows that she's not acting normal. Kuch to kharab hai. And she goes and tells this to her best friend also कि I felt this way before. पता है ये मैंने अपनी बिल्ली के साथ I have been through all these emotions जहाँ मैं रो रही हूँ, खाना भी नहीं खा रही, but I'm not feeling this way. Why am I not feeling this way, And then she realizes, when she finds out that photograph of Akanksha in Astik's cupboard, then she is angry. She's feeling anger. She's feeling that she was wronged by Astik. Now she's in denial. There are so many emotions, like gamut of emotions that Sandhya is feeling in those 13 days of Astik's death. And that's when she realizes that maybe this was all her projection, She was projecting a happy married life, but it was never there. She was not happy in this marriage. और वो छोटे-छोटे dialogues में you see it. When she tells Akanksha कि आस्तिक ने मेरी तरफ कभी मुंह उठा के देखा भी नहीं. That's when you know that she was never happy. आस्तिक में भी उससे कभी बात भी नहीं करता था. वो उसको maybe it was a toxic relationship, And then she also tells her mother कि आप इस घर में रह नहीं पाओगे. English का मोड नहीं है यहाँ पर, हिंदी वाला है. आप मेरे को 5 महीने में भी आदत नहीं पड़ी. In those 5 months, maybe she was just projecting this happy married life which was never there,
Yeah.
And then she realizes that maybe
exactly.
Yeah.
In the dialogues, there's a lot that is said. It's like a throwaway dialogue, but there's a lot that is said in it.
Exactly. Like you can see that she was not happy, and she can't comprehend it. It's there subconsciously, but consciously she's projecting something else. Ki everything is nice, I'll be his widow. But when she finds out, she's denial. She's in anger, and then she decided ki maybe not. I always wanted to do something else, and Akanksha sparks that when she meets her, Ki she sees that she's so independent. She has her own job, she lives alone, and it's because of Akanksha that she takes that decision in life ki maybe I want to do a job now.
What's also interesting to me is how a young widow is expected to go through the motions of grief as, dictated by society. That as a widow, you have to cry, you have to be bawling, that, that you asking for a Pepsi is something that is unheard of. All those things which I find have not been explored so much in cinema so far. So I found that to be a very interesting aspect.
It is, Shilpa. It is a very interesting aspect because we all have experienced this in our families. I have somebody like Ghanshyam Foofa ji और रघुबीर sir's character कि वो सबको बता रहे हैं कि ये नहीं, ये करो, ये नहीं खाओ, वो मत खाओ, but वो खुद जाके सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. Everyone has a different way of dealing with grief, whether it's Shiba ji's character, Ashutosh, my mother in the film, Natasha ji, Rajesh ji, they all are like dealing with grief in a very different way, कि सबको रोना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Everyone has a very different way of dealing with grief, And Sandhya in that point is extremely hungry. उसको ऐसा नहीं है कि she wants to rebel, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा. But वो genuinely she's feeling that hunger and she wants to have some chips and, Pepsi. to suffice it.
Yeah, and you shoulder this entire film on your shoulders, Sanya. You know, you carry the entire film, which is a great responsibility, but is it also great fun?
It was great fun, but it's not on my shoulders, you know. I have such great actors. I have a wonderful director with me, Umesh sir. I have Ashutosh Rana, Sheba, Natasha, Raghubir Yadav, Rajesh ji, Shruti, Shayoni, Chetan, Asif. They all are fantastic actors. तो मेरे कंधे पे कुछ नहीं था, thankfully. I just had to like remember my dialogues and be present in front of them and just react to what they were saying. It's extremely gratifying that I got this character to play, because as I said, it has inspired me in so many ways. It was a wonderful experience and it was an honor to be sharing screen with such amazing actors, you know. So it was a fantastic experience shooting Pagle.
Yeah, I'm sure, you know, especially when you have a very talented ensemble, the playoff must be very interesting to you as an actor.
Yeah, it never felt like I was in a scene or doing dialogues with them, you know. It always felt like a conversation. उनको सिर्फ सुनना was enough, you know. You just have to listen to how they are speaking. कुछ भी, you just have to react to what they're saying. And that was beautiful. So while shooting, I was never like in pressure. I was obviously nervous while prepping for the character. But while shooting, I never felt कि oh God, कि मैं कैसा करूँगी या हो नहीं पाएगा. That much confidence I had that if I am with Sheba in a scene, if I'm with Ashutosh sir in a scene, I'll manage it. मुझे सिर्फ सुनना होगा उनको, and I just have to react to what they are saying.
Well, I think it all came together very well. I want to talk about the comedy in the film. For a subject matter that is so heavy, the comedy provided so much relief, but it wasn't forced comedy. The comedy was so natural, and you know, it just goes with the flow.
That's true, because it's all situational. ऐसा कोई comedy scene नहीं लिखा गया for the film, but it मतलब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में भी humor है हमारे आसपास life में. It's a beautifully written script by Umesh sir, our writer director. और ऐसा कोई approach नहीं था कि अगर in that, for example, in that scene where I'm like कि अम्मा Pepsi ला दोगे, that's a very honest emotion that she's feeling. She's hungry. It was never from that direction that it has to be in a funny way or the dialogue delivery has to be in a certain way to make it sound humorous. So that was never there, and it's all situation. As I said, that we have all seen it in our families. I would like to actually share this personal story of mine. Ki, as I said, that it's all relatable, all these characters. Even Pappu Tayaji's character. So my mother and I were watching the film a few months back, and after watching the film, my mother was like, so a very close relative has been through the same situation, Sandhya ka. And I was shocked that I didn't know that. And my mother told me कि उनको भी photos मिली थी और पता नहीं उसकी photos का क्या करा होगा. So she called her in front of me and she was like, क्या किया तूने उन photographs का? And she was shocked. She was like, why are you asking me this question? It's so weird because एक हफ्ता पहले ही मैंने वो photos जलाई हैं. And this is, I'm telling you, कि 30 साल तक she was holding on to those pictures, you know. 30 years. It took her 30 years to finally like to let go of that, you know, maybe anger, whatever she must be feeling when she saw those photographs.
Yeah, and you know, these are all very human emotions, right? Just because somebody is gone, you can't forgive them. When you find out something new, a person's life doesn't stop at death. You know, it kind of continues for the others by what they leave behind as well. And I thought that was also something that the film was trying to convey.
That's true. That's true. Umesh sir puts it beautifully that हमारी जो लाइफ की जर्नी है वो बर्थ से डेथ तक की होती है, पर इस फिल्म की डेथ से एक मतलब बर्थ की जर्नी है कि एक फिल्म तो स्टार्ट होती है किसी की मौत से बट ख़त्म होती है किसी न्यू चैप्टर से, किसी के रीबर्थ से, यू नो. एंड दैट्स व्हाट संध्या इज़ फीलिंग नाउ. शी हैज़ इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनली मैच्योर character, you know. It's very difficult to forgive. I know so many people who hold on to grudges, you know, and that is a very, very heavy emotion to hold on to. But she is such an emotionally mature character कि she decided to forgive Astik and move on in her life and start this new chapter on a good note.
Yeah, absolutely. And Sanya, you started your cinematic journey with Dangal,
Hmm.
a fiercely feminist film.
Hmm.
And now Puglet as well is a film with a woman in center and a very feminist core at that.
Hmm.
Now, there are some actors who shy away from feminist films, but you are clearly not one of them.
Mhm. That's true, I'm not. But these are the characters that I can relate to. These are the characters that I want young women to watch and grow up with, because when I was growing up, I used to only see damsel in distress. कि मुझे बचा लो, मुझे हटा लो, हाय मेरी तुम ये मेरे डिसीजंस ले लो, तुम मुझे ये कर दो, मेरे को घंटे पकड़ के ले गए हैं. नहीं, आई कांट रिलेट टू दोज कैरेक्टर्स. मैं तो बचपन से मार देती थी कोई मुझे परेशान करता था. तो आई वांट टू सी सच कैरेक्टर्स ऑन स्क्रीन. आई वांट टू इंस्पायर young women who are watching me on screen, so that when they grow up, I don't know, they can have that sense of freedom.
Yeah,
Hmm.
because representation is so important,
It's
right?
extremely important because people get inspired by our movies. It's our responsibility. I can definitely that कोई और कोई कैसी movie बना रहा है that I can't control, but the decision of taking up character and a script is my decision, right? That's in my control. So I've always been very careful and conscious about what characters I play and pick up as an
Well, I
actor.
think you've become this character, and it's a lovely character, Sanya.
Thank
Before
you
I
so
let
much.
you go, I love what you do in that film with your hands.
Yeah.
Do that for me when we wrap up.
Choreographed by Geti. It's so very nice. The slow motion bit you saw in
Yeah.
Paglet. Do you want me to do it?
Yes, please.
I would love to. I never say no to dancing. 1 second. So cute. बहुत अच्छा किया.
I'm going to practice. I'm going to practice.
Definitely, please do it and post it online. Okay, I would like to see
Definitely,
it.
I'll tag you.
Tag me.
Thank you, Sanya. What a pleasure talking to
Same
you.
here. Thanks a lot, Shilpa. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too. Bye.
Bye.